Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this Snap Pop Beads jewellery making kit that was sent to me from Squid. The set comes with a carry case, instructions, gem stickers, 4 headbands, 8 bracelets, 12 rings and hundreds of beads. The beads come in multiple shapes and colours and can be easily snapped together and taken apart to create unique jewellery designs. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Let me know in the comments what you thought of these Snap Pop beads. Also, make sure to check out Squid, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!